Hello, everyone, and welcome to another one. So now we're doing a sporting goods. So again, I go to so many places. So there's this place where I was looking when I first came here. I was looking to get I collect snapbacks. Yes, I'm one of those kids in school. Snapbacks were cool, and I was looking to collect some snapbacks, and I got it. Some snapbacks that I was looking for. So that's cool. And so I got an idea for the sporting goods. So they have hats, they got all this other type of stuff, equipment. It's kind of like, how do I put it? This is a sporting goods place. Like, there's so many different types. But yeah, it's just, how do I put it? Like Foot Locker or something like that. Something along those lines. Like there's different European brands, but yeah, Foot Locker is one of them. That's not Europe; it's more of an American. But yeah, it's there. And or like you go into the Nike store, or Reebok store, or whatever it could be. And obviously, it's sporting goods because Nike's obviously associated with all these types of sports: soccer, football, tennis. You get the idea. So. So I'm there and I'm saying to myself, okay, let's do this. So now it's called Sports Extremes, the ultimate sporting goods destination. Obviously about us, we're the world premier sporting goods store where passion meets performance. You get the idea. Fancy stuff. Our mission is to inspire equipment athletes with cutting edge sports gear, technology, all that type of stuff. Global reach with stores in major cities worldwide. We use our online platforms, so like obviously platforms like X, Instagram, all that type of stuff. We bring the best gear to athletes everywhere, top brands and quality appearance. We carry only the most trusted brands, so like Nike, Reebok, as I explained. Nike, Reebok, what else is there? Sports, Puma, all that type of stuff. Expert advice. Our team is experienced with athletes and sports professionals, sustainable commitment. And so we support all these, agendas to make the world better, and I put air quotes around that. So what do we have here? Obviously, we have footwear, so running shoes, hiking boots, cleats, everything. We got jerseys. We got like workout gear, you name it. Like, okay, so how would you do this? Outdoor stuff, so equipment. So if you like to go camping, if people still do that, well, maybe in Europe they do, but in America not so much. And not even in Asia, like not even close. So yeah, let's go where it's a city. Maybe not, but so we got racquetballs, protective gear, gym essentials. So like cute workout gear, like like all those people who like to go to the gym, and it's mostly who I'm talking about. Those people who go. I used to work at one. I did some community service. It was one of those local gyms, but it was ridiculous. Like I did some volunteer work because we have to be a good Christian. Even though I'm non-religious, I went to a Catholic school because all that type, better education and everything. No, it's not. Well, nonsense. That's what it is. But what was it again? I did a community service, and I used to see all these people who are hilarious. All these people who tried to before an influencer was had weight to it, and I'm just there and I'm looking at these mostly females, but some men, but mostly females. They used to dress like those real tight like Nike workout gear leggings or like Reebok or something, and they used to wear like the most revealing gym clothing. And they used to go to the mirror and they're trying to work out and everything. And they're not even working out. They're just on their phone trying to take a photo and this. Like as what most people call them are gym posers. And all the people so I'm just there and looking at everyone. And everyone's rolling their eyes. And it's so ridiculous. Like, so are you there to work out? Or are you there to get Instagram likes? It was so, and you still see these things. And some men to a certain degree, yo man, I have a gym bro, look at this and that. But it's funny. Even the gym bros, some of these so-called hardcore dudes. Bro, I know you're taking steroids. You're on the juice. I know it. Like, don't lie. But it's so funny, and it's just comedical, and there's people still do it today, and like now it's become a whole meme on X and Instagram. I'm new to it. Like I never was a big fan of it because I don't care what people eat, and it became a phenomenon on people posting on Instagram for food. That's why I never really got into it. But like X, before it was Twitter, but X, I just see this stuff, and I'm just like, it's become a full blown meme. And I'm just like, bro, come on. Like, are you serious? It's funny, it's entertaining, but like, so they have all this type of equipment and the clothing gear, and it's just so funny. He got some accessories. He got some smartwatches like the Fitbit and everything. That's actually kind of cool. If you're like, and then obviously there's people who actually take it seriously. Have I think somewhat of an old family friend. Well, his older brother, got into fitness. He was studying in Cali for, I forget what he was studying. He went to Venice Beach, very famous for working out. People don't do the gym posings, and they actually work out there. And a lot of people are on the juice, but aside from that, and he loved it so much that he came back to the state where I'm from, obviously, down south. Cali's weird, man. Just don't go there. This is just as weird as Oregon, but still. He liked it, and then he started getting into it, and then the guy's fucking ripped. Like, but obviously that's his business. But I respect that and that type of perspective, because and obviously he owns his own gym. Obviously he doesn't have to go to another gym like Lifetime or anything like that, or any of those other ones, or like a local gym. This is not a local gym, but he owns it. But I respect that, because the guy's an influencer, but in the right perspective. So he's not like one of those gym bros. Oh, look at this, and looking in the mirror, and all these other people, and all these other females and everything. It's bro, if you're gonna do it, the only reason why they do it is when they're at the gym. So when you're not at the gym, you're not influencing. So it's kind of like a poser. Like, this guy posts his stuff. I would recommend this workout or this or that, or he has certain workout products, and I respect that, and that's something that's to be respected. But you're doing it for the right perspective. So then there's outdoor type of stuff. There's the tech and accessories, like I was saying, like the Fitbit and all that, and obviously then there's certain a team sports section for say soccer, basketball, football, and more. And obviously our services for sports gears. And obviously as well, he would obviously certain sports places like this, they would come, hey man, can you rep me, because it seems like you have a good following, and I have a sports store, and you're also in fitness and sports and fitness, and oh I see you like soccer. Okay, cool. Then you can rep our soccer section, different. So, but yeah, that's a little bit different. So obviously the store would be try before you buy, and then try product testing zones, and obviously maybe if you want to get more fancy with the tech, you can do the AR type of stuff, custom gear. You can personalize certain stuff. Obviously you got the right size and all that. Obviously sponsorships, workout shops, training sessions, and obviously shipping. And obviously join us and follow us on social media, or visit us today at certainwebsite.com, at the sports website. But yeah, that's another take on it. That's how you would do it. But again, like you keep on saying, online influence, all that type of stuff. If you're not on the internet, you don't exist. Period. It's kind of funny how all these templates are kind of saying the same thing. Maybe because that has a point. But as they say, as I always say, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z out.